time zones, my Sako nuts. Welcome to one of the many talks that I will have regarding etiquette in role-playing games. Now, I tried to make this video as concise as possible, but it was hard not to rant about each topic. So don't you worry, I have videos on each of the topics coming in the near future. Those rants have all their own scripts, and I will do deep dives on each. When you agree to a game, you technically agree to all of these things, and I speak on behalf of all GMs, not just myself, when I mention what's coming. I'm low on time, so here we go. Number 1, take notes. Places, names, information, stuff like that, write it down. It would be super respectful to all the effort that goes into planning a campaign for you to actually scribe that stuff down. Maybe do it in character. What would your character know? Number 2, know what your character can do. Sit down with your GM and hash it out. Write down notes about your abilities and remember these skills when you're on the spot. Number 3, gather media for your character. There are 2 sites that I like to go through, though I am also an artist, so I illustrate my characters all the time. I run it through thispersondoesnotexist.com. I take that picture and I run it through Artbreeder. Then I will probably draw based on that AI generated image. Playlists, any music that puts you in the mood or pertains to your character, share that with the GM, share that with the other players. Mood boards. Pinterest is a great place for mood boards, and you can share it with other people. I will talk about mood boards in another video. Just hold tight. Cosplay during play. To dress up like your character for the purpose of the game is the ultimate compliment. Number 4, interact with your teammates. Don't talk over people. No lone rangers. These are your companions, so get to know them. Number 5, don't overrule your GM. Don't roll dice before you're asked. Role play, and don't just bank on the mechanics. State your case, but don't argue the mechanics. Number 6, show up on time. Or at least give a heads up if you're going to be late or you're going to be absent. That way we can write a story around you. Number 7, pay attention. Don't camp on your phone. Don't play video games, but pay attention to the people at your table. Number 8, be proactive. Go find adventure and follow plot hooks that are dropped. That was a bit of a blur. Thanks for getting to the end of this video. When I scripted this, I actually wrote a lot on each subject, so keep an eye out for future videos where I get mighty specific and go on a rant regarding each topic. Tell me which one you would like to see first in the comments below. Until then, I hope this helps both the OG and the newbie. If you liked this video at any point, I encourage you to hit the like button, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, I usually post on Mondays, so you might want to subscribe and maybe even ring that bell on the off chance that YouTube actually notifies you when I upload a video, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.